today we're going to draw a really cute heart Cupid.
I'm so excited about this one. It turned out really fun, and I hope you're going to follow along with us. For this lesson, we're using our
markers.
Yeah, and pencil and eraser.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, to draw the main shape. And then we're also using
colored pencils.
Yeah, but you could use whatever you have. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Hey parents and teachers, did you know we have a special place to draw without any ads or distractions? You can watch all of our lessons on artforkidshub.tv or in our official app available on Apple, Android, Roku, and more. It's the best way to draw together as a family or in the classroom anytime, anywhere, and without interruptions. Check it out and subscribe at artforkidshub.tv. Let's first use our pencil to draw the shape of our heart. We're going to draw in the middle of our paper. I'm going to draw 2 guide points, one and another one right below it. This is for the center of our heart. Then we're going to draw the heart shape curving out, around, and then straight into the bottom. I kind of curved too. And then we're going to repeat and try to draw that same size shape on the other side. It's okay if they look a little different. But the nice thing about using a pencil, you can work on it, redraw the lines if you want to change it just a little. Maybe I'll make it just slightly bigger on this side. Yeah, and then if you have extra lines, you can switch to your eraser and then erase those extra lines so that you don't get confused which one you want to keep. That's all we're using our pencil for. We can put that off to the side, and we're going to switch to our marker. But our friends, if you want, you could keep using your pencil. You don't have to switch. Okay, we're going to draw the arms and the bow and arrow. So let's first draw the arm. We're going to draw a sideways letter U. We're going to go start on the inside and go outside the heart. And this is for the arm. Then we can draw the hand. We're going to draw it curving around and then connect to the other side. And then we're going to draw 2 curves for finger lines. Yes. Okay, now we're going to draw the other arm over here. And we're going to draw just a oval. I'm trying to think of what shape that is. Okay, and then we're going to draw 2 finger lines there too. Okay, so he's hanging on to the bow and the arrow, and he's pulling it back like he's gonna shoot someone. Now we're gonna draw the arrow that he's hanging on to. We're gonna draw a sideways letter V, and then right here in the middle, we're gonna draw a line going all the way across to the top of the other hand. Okay, and then we're gonna draw the feathers on the back. 2 short lines, and then we can draw another V connecting back into the arrow. Yeah, okay, now on the tip of the arrowhead, we're going to turn that into a heart. So let's draw a guide point out here. We could draw a big heart. So it's straight out from the arrow. Then we're going to draw, you could turn your paper sideways if that helps to draw the heart, but I'm going to keep it like this to keep it tricky. There's the...
Ooh, that was hard.
Yeah, that was tricky. You did a good job. Okay, now we're going to draw the bow, and we're going to draw it curving out of the hand. We're going to curve out like this. I'm going to keep the bow kind of small. Maybe we'll curve just a little higher. And then we're going to curve out the bottom too. Now let's make the bow thicker. We're going to start here, and we're going to get further away down here at the hand, but then closer towards the top, but then we're going to curve in and make it fancy up at the top. And then we can do the same down at the bottom. Curve around and fancy at the bottom. Then we need the string. We're going to draw connecting up to the back of the bow, or arrow I mean. And then we're going to draw on this side, I'm going to draw it connecting like it's going to, but I'm going to stop there so it doesn't go in front. Yeah, that looks really cool. Now let's draw our heart's or Cupid's face. I'm going to draw a really cute smile, small one. We kind of drew it off to the side. Then we're going to draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle and another circle. And then we could draw our favorite highlights, small circle in the top left. And then color in the big circles, but leave those little circles white. Oh, and I always love that you add eyelashes. Yours is a cute little girl. I'm going to keep the eyelashes off on mine. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, now let's trace over the heart, but we want to make sure that we don't draw through the arm. If you want, you could erase the little line inside so we don't get confused. And also over here through the hand on this side. Okay, now let's trace over. We're going to use our markers to go over the pencil guideline. And if our art friends want, just like you added eyelashes, our art friends could pause the video and add other details. We're going to add wings too, just in case our art friends are worried that we don't have wings yet.
Yeah.
We are going to add those.
So it can fly.
Yeah, let's add it next.
Okay.
Okay, now let's add the wings. We're going to draw curving out and up and the same on the side. Then we could draw the top feather one, and we could match over here. And we're going to draw really small wings. So smaller feather and then a really small feather. Medium size on the side and then a small at the bottom. Now let's add the legs and feet. I'm going to draw 2 diagonal lines coming out from the bottom. Then we can draw shorter lines outside of that, and we want them the same distance away on both sides. And then we're going to turn these into big feet. We did it! We finished drawing our heart cupids, except we still need to
Color them.
Yeah, red. This part we'll fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video if you want to match our same color. You could also add more things. All right, you ready to fast forward?
Yes.
And we did it! We finished coloring our heart cupids and they turned out really cute. I always love yours. Look how small and squishy it looks.
I like yours too.
Oh, thanks. Mine looks big. But that's my favorite, is when they don't look exactly the same. They both turn out awesome. That's because the most important thing is
To have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
practice. You could also even add more things and change your drawing completely.
Yeah, like more heart cupids.
Oh yeah, you could draw a whole army of them, even smaller in the background.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a heart cupid with us.
We'll see you later, art friends.
Goodbye.